So you're tired of mystery meat and factory blended sadness? Grinding your own beef, chicken, or even veggies isn't just chef-level flex. It's cleaner, tastier, and gives you full control over your kitchen game. Let's break down 5 meat grinders that are all the rage in 2025. From electric beasts that mince like monsters to manual gear that's still legit if you're on a budget. If you regularly grind big batches like family BBQ levels of protein, the Yabano is your meat slaying machine. With 3,000 watts peak power, this unit absolutely shreds through meat with minimal fuss. It's got a reverse function. Thank you for when fatty pieces try to start dramas on overload protection to keep things safe if you're feeling a little too confident. It comes with 2 stainless steel grinding plates and the usual sausage kubi extras. What really hits different is how compact it is for its strength. You can tuck it into most kitchen corners, and it's way quieter than you'd expect from a motor this beefy. Overall, not dishwasher safe, and it's a little heavy if you've got limited counter space. But if grinding's gonna be a regular ritual in your cooking content or lifestyle, Yabano's the kind of unit that lasts and doesn't complain. This bad boy, with a max output of 2,500 watts, the GuanQiao grinder is solid for both home cooks and small-scale commercial setups. Yup, we're talking burger joints and pop-up food carts. You get 3 stainless steel blades and 3 grinding plates, so you're covered whether you want coarse chili beef or ultra-smooth chicken paste for meatballs. There's also a sausage stuffer tube and a kubi kit included. Middle Eastern fans, you're seen. The dual safety switch setup keeps your fingers out of trouble, and it'll keep running for a solid 18 to 20 minutes before it needs to cool down. Pretty clutch when you're knee-deep in Sunday batch cooking. Overall, this grinder doesn't pretend to be flashy. It's simple, effective, and built like a mid-tier tank. It struggles a bit with bones or overly fibrous cuts, and there's no reverse button. Kind of annoying if things get stuck. Sinyder's grinder screams customization. You get 2 blades, 3 grinding plates, and a super capable 3,000 watt motor that's ready to party. From minced mutton to spicy sausage filling, this grinder spits out consistently clean cuts and does it fast. About 2 pounds of meat per minute. What's really cool? The built-in storage box for all your accessories. No more hunting for that one grinding plate in your kitchen drawer jungle. The 1-button control system is slick, and the reverse function, super handy. Overall, it's a little noisy or trips under pressure, and not all parts are dishwasher safe, but the ones that are, clean like a dream. If you're all about texture control in your recipes or love a good recipe tutorial, video with gear shots, this one's got aesthetic and function. Okay, now we're talking multitasking legend. The AAOBOSI isn't just a meat grinder. It's got slicing blades, shredding discs, and solid grinding power with a 2,800 watt peak. If your kitchen content goes beyond just meats, say you film taco nights, DIY pasta sauces, or even shredding cheese vids, this grinder saves you from buying 5 different appliances. You get 3 grinding plates, 2 grinding blades, and 3 slicers, plus sausage stuffer and kubi kit, basically everything but the recipe itself. The reverse and overload protection systems keep the machine smooth, even if you're pushing volume. Overall, it's a tad bulky for tiny kitchens, and aluminum parts aren't dishwasher safe. But as a multi-function powerhouse, especially for creators who want demo versatility in one unit, AAOBOSI is a smart move. Going old school? The LHS manual grinder is surprisingly awesome if you're doing small batches or filming rustic travel kitchen content. It runs on pure crank power, so no electricity, no motors, no drama. The stainless steel blade delivers a clean grind, and the suction base actually holds its own, even on slippery counters. Great for prepping baby food, burger patties, or camping eats. It's quiet, lightweight, and folds away with minimal footprint. Overall, no reverse, no presets, and yes, you'll get a forearm pump grinding tougher meats, but it's budget-friendly, fast enough for personal portions, and gets props for simplicity. So yeah, 5 meat grinders. 5 totally different flavors of power, size, and grind style. Some are full-on multitaskers, some are all muscle, and some just keep it chill. If you're building out your home kitchen or just want to stop buying sketchy store-bought mints, pick the one that matches your grind. And hey, if this helped, smash that drop your meat grinder horror stories or victories in the comments and hit that sub button. More real reviews, no fluff, coming your way. Check the description now.